Come here, May May. Oh, you're such a good walker. Come here. Do you want your water? Oh, yes. You are so thirsty, aren't you? Where May gets all her books, so we can read them to her. May, can you say Mama?
Mama.
Can you say Dada?
Dada.
Can you say Bubbles? Bubbles?
Dad.
Can you say hi? Hi. 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 Oh. Can you say no? Can you say no?